Tour di Radio 105 sbarca a Malta.
Għattini darba f'ġimgħa l-fosos tal-Furjani jinsabu lesti biex jilqgħu wieħed mill-akbar festivals tal-mużika Taljana. Il-ġimgħa se tittella l-ewwel edizzjoni f'Malta ta' 105 Summer Festival organizzat minn Radio 105 b'kollaborazzjoni ma' Festivals Malta. Għal-kunċert mistennija jieħdu sem għatt artisti stabiliti u oħrajn ġodda mix-xena mużikali Taljana.
Lineup is huge. If you think that for the first time we're going to have 20 artists for the first time in Malta on the same stage, starting from pop iconic legends like Gigi D'Alessio, Anna Tatangelo together on the same stage, but we have artists from Elettra Lamborghini, Ermal Meta for the first time.
Maħom se jnaqdu Call Baby K, Fabio Robazzi, LDA u Samurai J. U flimkien mistennija jagħtu spettaklu indimentikabli. L-aġent lokali tal-avveniment, Thomas Tarsja, għalli l-ispettaklu se jkun madwar 3 sigħat u Malta se tkun qiegħda tingħata prominenza fuq il-mezzi tax-xandir ta' Radio 105 u stazzjonijiet ta' Mediaset fl-Italja.
We are opening a new chapter of collaboration between Malta and Italy. We are starting a new collaboration through the music. So I think we are going high. We are going to have 3 hours event, so it's a long event, and it's very important. It's going to be even aired on the Italian TV, on 105 channel, and on Mediaset Infinity. So, I mean, we're going to promote Malta for the first time, even on the Italian national channel.
Fost il-parteċipanti se jkun hemm il-kantanta Emma Muscat li se jkollha sem ewlieni fl-edizzjoni Maltija tal-festival.
105 Festival, it's an experience, it's not just a festival. It's among all this huge lineup, we're going to have on stage Emma, your Emma, la madrina di casa, and we are very proud and happy of it.
Is-serata se tkun ippreżentata minn Manola Moslehi u Daniela Battalja u Dario Spada. Il-konċert se jibda fis-6:30 filgħaxija u bla ħlas. Il-pubbliku huwa mħeġġeġ juża trasport pubbliku u mezzi alternattivi ta' trasport.